Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nicklix. So in today's video, I will explain you the various animation effects that are available in jQuery. I will make you learn, I will explain you practically how to integrate that all functions in your jQuery. So these are some I have made a division with the class div1 as width 200, height 200, background color red, and I have made the few buttons like I'm going to run this. So hide, show, toggle, fade out, fade in, slide up, down, slide toggle, CSS, multiple CSS, fade to an animate function. So by step, I will explain you all these the animation functions that are available in jQuery. So I have assigned a button a value that is being displayed over here and a unique class to every button. So starting with the first part dot hi dot click the function, and in this function I'm going to div I dot height, and same I will just copy in order to save my time. Show, so show, and the third one is toggle div1 dot toggle. So I'm going to run this hide. The div is been hidden, so it's simple. Hi dot click div I dot hide show. Sh dot show is a function. Toggle. Toggle means by clicking on that button the first time the revision will be hidden, and by clicking another time the same button it will show. So toggle will perform the hide show operation on a single button. So I can assign here as the time also. If I have given here 2000 means 2000 milliseconds means 2 second, as 1000 is a 1000 is a 1 second. So 2000, so hide, it will take 2 seconds to hide. It will take 2 seconds to show. So again, it will take 2 seconds to hide, and it will take 2 seconds to show. So this is a time that you want to like integrate in this. And also you can assign a callback function over here. So function like alert after hidden. This is called as callback function. Now what it will be doing after hiding it after 2 seconds, the function will be executed. This function will be executed when division is totally hidden. That's why it is called as callback function. Means callback function will only execute when your animation is totally over. So this is a three function: hide, show, and toggle. Then I am moving to the fade out and fade in function. So fade out means FO, and it's a case sensitive function. So fade out, O is a bigger one. I will remove here as like the second. Then it's Fi, fade in, then Su, slide up and slide down, Su, slide up, St, on St it's slide down. So fade out means it's just slowly it will just fade it out from your screen. Fade in, slowly it will come onto your screen. So I can here mention my time over here. So 2000 means 2 seconds, so it will fade out in the span of 2 seconds. It will come in the span of 2 seconds. So slide up, it will just slide up, slide down, it will comes as a slide down. So this is a function as slide up and slide down. Then it is slide toggle. So for that, st is a function. So toggle, t is bigger, so slide toggle, it will slide up and slide down. So this is a function like will be same similar to the toggle button. Then in this you can assign single css. For example, dot css function is there. So background color, if I want to change as pink, so single css, it will change as pink. So here you can define only single css function. This is a property, and after that comma, if you comma, and its properties value. So if you want to define the multiple CSS over here, so multiple CSS, you can like give it in a curly bracket, and instead of comma you can write here as colon property colon value comma property colon value. So in this way you can write 100 pixel height 100 pixel. So in this way you can define multiple CSS over here. So now the color becomes pink, the width 100 pixel and height 100 pixel. So if you want to define multiple CSS, you have to define curly brackets, and in the curly brackets you can define as property colon value comma property colon value. If you want to give single CSS, you can just write property and comma value. So in this way you can define multiple CSS and single CSS. Now the fade toggle button, fade to button. I think fade toggle I have not given, right? So function, now div1 dot fade to how much? It's 0.5 in how much second, comma 2000 means 2 seconds. So fade to, like it will fade my division. Uh, so I think first you have to define the second. So it will fade my division to 0.5 value in 2 seconds. If I am going to write here as 0.3, so it will fade my division to 0.3 value in 2 seconds. So this is a function of fade to. And the last, I'm just moving with my animate function, an. I have assigned a class, so an div dot animate. In animate you have to define in curly bracket margin left, let it be 600 pixel, then comma 2000. So by clicking on animate, so it is just moving smoothly in 2 seconds, and margin left 600 pixel. I can just like give its value to 50 pixels also, so that it will move by 600 pixel and it will decrease its size. So it is decreasing its size and it will moving by 600 margin left. So these are some function of animate, some animation functions your in jQuery. I hope you understand this jQuery animate function. For getting latest update of jQuery, do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my